Hi there, it's Chris Fifo, Darwin Perennials and Keith Seed Product Representative, and I'm here with our latest introduction from Darwin Perennials, our latest series of butterfly bush called Chrysalis. This is a great new item versus current market varieties that are out there, in that we have more continuous flowering on theirs. We have a more bushy type of plant, and so it's going to have a much better garden performance and presence than we're used to seeing with the existing compact varieties. This is going to get up to maybe 2.5 feet in the northern climates. It's going to be root hardy. In the southern climates, we're talking maybe 3.5 feet, because they're going to be stem hardy. And so these are strongly perennial, zone 5 hardy. And like I mentioned, we've got these short, fat flower spikes, and when these are done, if you're familiar with butterfly bush, these will tend to turn brown when they're gone. And most varieties, that is going to be the main focal point of the plants, but these have these secondary flowers coming, and so as these initial ones fade, our secondaries are going to come up and provide that season-long color for the consumers in your garden, and these are going to be a pollinator magnet. So look for the new series, Butterfly Bush Chrysalis series, at your local garden centers this year.